So making a box house, yeah, and my nan's cat. Like the video if you like my nan's cat. Yeah, he's really cute. So, making a box house. It's gonna have me and my brother in it, and this is the first stage. My phone died up when I was recording this, so yeah, I'll put all duct tape around the sides, and yeah, it's pretty cool. It's just up below my head, like by a bit, so yeah, that's pretty cool. So, and then I'm gonna put like a slanted roof on it, and then cut that so it's a bit of a house, and then me and my brother are gonna sit in there. So it's gonna be cool. Sammy is over there. So yeah. So we got these two pieces. So what it's gonna look like is we're gonna slant these two like this, and that's my annoying brother. And yeah, that's gonna go like that for the arrow. And then yeah, it's gonna be a slanted roof. I'm gonna sellotape those on now and be back when lads, we've run out of sellotape. So what we're gonna do is we've got these on. We got more duct tape luckily, and we're going to. That's my annoying brother on the screen. But yeah, we're gonna perch these up. What's happened? I'm gonna perch these up like that, and then this flap here, we'll add that, and then we're gonna cut things at the side so it covers them. Right, we got some sort of roof going on. Not really what I wanted, but you know, I'm gonna try and make it work. I'm gonna cut a door now. So yeah, we now have a roof again, remade with a door. My brother's in there. So yeah, going to make windows now, and it should be the finished product. Right, so this is the finished product. We got a down flat door, and yeah, we're gonna be in. Me and Jake are gonna be in there, and we got a hose. Yeah, that's what I'm trying not to do. We're gonna have a hose and out, and then we're gonna wet us. Yay! Yay!
Grandchildren being drowned. Help! Go on. Go on. Go round the front, Graham, where the door is.